What's going on, guys? Card Scout here. This is my first ever unboxing video. We went to Target today and the card section was absolutely packed, which is something that I have not seen in a very long time. So when I got there, they only had 4 boxes of Chronicles and a collector was already buying all 4. But since I got there pretty much at the same time as him, he offered to give me 2 boxes. So that was very nice. So we're going to open 2 boxes of Panini Chronicles. We have 5 cards per pack, 4 packs per box. Looking for some on-card autos. Let's see if we can get some Robert. Let's see if we can get some good stuff in here. They also had a lot of football, which sold out while I was there. So they had some Donruss football hobbies or blasters. They had some hangers. Everything was gone by the time that I went back up towards the checkout. A lot of Allen and Ginter. They had a lot of Chrome, but the Chrome was going pretty fast as well. So here we go, 8 packs. I apologize that I don't have a breaker mat. Like I said, this is my first unboxing, so with time. And the first pack is not cooperating. Let's see what we got. Got Ken Griffey Jr., my favorite player. Rookies and Stars, Gleyber Torres. Got a certified Austin Riley. Certified Green, Bryce Harper. Got a Mosaic, Jonathan Hernandez rookie. So very cool, Pete Alonso, unparalleled. Very cool. And second pack is not cooperating. I think I'm just going to start cutting these. They're not the wax packs from when I was a kid, that's for sure. Chronicles Max Scherzer. Mookie Betts Magnitude. Oh, we got a Luis Robert rookie. That is very cool. Let's put it over here. We got a Bo Bichette right after him as well. It's a very nice pack. Oh, we got 2 Bo Bichettes. What is going on here? Look at this. 2 Bo Bichettes. That is awesome. Very happy with that. We've got Anthony Rizzo. Do we have any numbers on these bows? Because that would be even better. We don't. That's totally fine. That was a very nice pack. Robert, 2 Bichettes. Let's see if we can keep this up. And another Bo Bichette. Got Zach Gallen. Timeless Treasures rookie. You spin pretty easily. Yamaguchi rookie. Got a green Kwang Young Kim. Mosaic Randy Arozarena. Sorry if I'm slaughtering these. And Arenado. These are kind of cool. guys will have some comments about my opening skills. I will work on that. Chronicles, Francisco Lindor. Turn it upside down. Clayton Kershaw, Legacy. Ronald Acuna Jr., Certified. Titan, Christian Yelich. That's a very cool looking card. Gratterall, Mosaic, Rookie. And we have another Kwang Young Kim. Kind of like these unparalleled. Astral is what this one is called with the stars. It's very cool. They have plenty of those orange box-based basketball cards that, just like the random ones. I don't know about those yet. Sorry about that. Camera just fell over. Akiyama, Limited. Javier Baez. Another Arenado. Another one of these Titans, these cool looking cards. Danny Mendick. And we got another polar bear, Pete Alonso. This time it's the Astral with the stars. Very cool. We've got 3 packs left. Let's see if we can get any more rookies. Starting off, Manny Machado. Another Timeless Treasures, Gavin Lux. Very nice. Oh, we got another Luis Robert. That is a very cool looking card. Bobby Bradley, got a green. We have an Obsidian, Cody Bellinger. That is a very cool looking card. It's thick too. Yeah, that is a very nice card. My name is Cody, so I gotta give it up for Cody Bellinger. Why not? Look at that. And I know I'm gonna say his name wrong, so I will not even try and say it. Just a heads up for you. But that is another one of the unparalleled. Two packs. I'm hoping that I can do some more unboxings as long as A, Minnesota keeps getting cards. It seems like we get shafted on the card supply. And B, if my wife will let me buy more packs. So take what you can get, right? Mike Trout. This guy is an absolute beast. Oh, we got another Luis Robert. Legacy this time. That is so cool. Another beast. We got Daniel Cease, if I want to say that right. That's a rookie. We'll put him there in the middle. Got a Crusade. This one seems like a little thicker card as well. Arenado again. And Jordan Alvarez. This guy is on the cover of the packs. Nice. Final pack. There we go. Look at this guy. Another Luis Robert. Oh, got a backwards card. on-card auto. Nope, we've got a jersey card. Kyle Schwarber. That is a Spectra. No number. Let's just see. It is a player worn. It's not a game worn jersey. That is still very cool. I remember when they first started coming out with these game worn cards, and that was the thing to get, was those cards. So that is cool that I got that. Certified Austin Riley. Yamaguchi. Green. Another Gavin Lux. Mosaic. We got another Bobby Bradley. Unparalleled. So we got quite a few rookies in the middle there. We'll just go over the ones that I think are big hits, and I will probably be wrong, so let me know in the comments if you think anything different. So we got that Schwarber game worn jersey. We got one Luis Robert, two Luis Roberts, three Luis Roberts, four Luis Roberts. And we've got three Bobichettes. 1, 2, 3, and then that Obsidian Cody Bellinger. Like I said, this is a thicker card than normal. I don't know if you can tell. Looking here, yeah, you can definitely tell from there. It's a thicker card. I think it's really cool, and it's smooth too. You think it would be kind of bumpy with these bridges here, but that is a very cool card. So I'm pretty happy with this. 2 boxes. I want to thank the collector that shared with me. That was very nice. So if you have any comments, leave them down below. Like, share, subscribe. You know the deal. So let me know if you have any questions, and hopefully I can do this again for you. Thanks, guys.